So what you can see over here is and now add user is here, and you can see this is the admin Mukesh. So created user, so it has created a user named as admin Mukesh, and attached policies is I am user change password to use admin Mukesh, and add user admin Mukesh to group data science team. So it have added admin Mukesh to a group which is known as data science team, and created a login profile for user admin Mukesh. Okay, so you have to click on this button, so, and you have to copy this password. Okay, you have to copy this password, or if you really want to get these login instructions, then you can send an email, and that will be sent to your email. Okay, now what you can do, you have created one I am user. Okay, so which is having administrative privileges. Okay, now what you have to do, you have to go to this link. Okay, this link, you have to click on this link. Okay, I am clicking on this link now. So what will happen, you will be logged out from your main root account. Okay, and now you will here it will allow you to maybe log in through your this I am user account. Okay, so this is the account ID. I am username was admin. Okay, Mukesh. Okay, and then the password I have taken from here, then there, then remember this account I will say maybe, and then I'll sign it. Okay, so I will sign in. So now what is happening is, now whatsoever you will do in this project, you will use this IAM account which is having root privileges. You will not use your root account. Okay, old password. Now you have to type your old password. You have to maybe type your old password over here. Then I will say command V, because I have copied that. New password will be maybe what to give here, a new password that will be, I have given a new password over here, and then uh, yeah, let's see, confirm change. Okay, now what you have to do is, please do not confirm the account password policy. Let me again give it password, and maybe I will choose a new password for it. Okay, and then confirm password changes. Now it is loading. uh, Maybe it will take its time. Okay, and for the security purposes, for now what I am doing is I will copy this thing one. This is like I convert, I only used one at the end. Okay, so because I cannot create a good password right now, so that was previous password, I only included one into it, and that's all. So now what is happening is, AWS management console, we are heading into AWS management console. Our now one change you can find is here, the admin slash Mukesh at the rate, you can see this thing. Okay, now this is not Mukesh Mandal, so this is a new user, which is accessing a root user using IAM account. Okay, so this thing you have to see, this is admin Mukesh. Okay, so if I'll click in this console, IAM management console, which I was logged in with my root account, this will be logged out now. Okay, so see, it is saying please sign in again. Okay, so it is logged out now. If I'll reload it, then it will open my this account only, IAM user account. Okay, so for security purpose, you need not to always go with your root account, always go with IAM account. Okay, make an IAM account, give it a group, and give that group access of admin privileges. Okay, don't work with maybe your root account. So this is not my root account now, this is the IAM account which I have created. Okay, so right now, if as you can see, we have created IAM IAM account, and I have logged in using that IAM account, so I'm removing it. So now the second, in the next video, uh, using this account I will set up S3 bucket. Okay, because I guess this video is getting too big. So that's all for this session.